Carolyn Jean Bessette Kennedy, January 7, 1966. July 16, 1999, was an American fashion publicist. She worked for Calvin Klein until her 1996 marriage to attorney and publisher John F. Kennedy Jr. Her life and fashion sense became the subjects of intense media scrutiny afterwards. The couple, along with her older sister Lauren, died in a plane crash off the coast of Martha's Vineyard in 1999. Carolyn Jean Bessette was born on January 7, 1966, in White Plains, New York, the youngest child of William Joseph Bessette, an architectural engineer turned cabinet maker, and Anne Marie, an administrator in the New York City public school system. She had two older sisters, twins Lauren and Lisa. Her paternal family was originally French-Canadian and descended directly from Jean Bessette, who arrived in Quebec during the 17th century. She was also of Italian descent through her mother. Bessette's parents divorced in 1974 when she was 8. Her mother later married Richard Freeman, an orthopedic surgeon, and moved to Old Greenwich, Connecticut, while Bessette's father stayed in White Plains. Raised in a Roman Catholic household, Bessette later attended St. Mary's High School. 7 at St. Mary's, Bessette was voted by her classmates the ultimate beautiful person. In high school, Bessette was described as being part of the in crowd and having attended all the right parties. She had initially started high school at Greenwich High School, but her parents transferred her to St. Mary's because they felt she was not taking her studies seriously. After graduating from high school in 1984, Bessette attended Boston University's School of Education, graduating in 1988 with a degree in elementary education. While there, she dated John Cullen, star of the school's ice hockey team, who would later play professional hockey in the NHL. Personal life. Bessette first met attorney and publisher John F. Kennedy Jr., son of the 35th United States President John F. Kennedy and First Lady Jacqueline Kennedy Onassis, in 1992, while he was dating actress Daryl Hannah. Bessette and Kennedy began dating in 1994 and became a popular paparazzi target, and gossip columns detailed where they ate and shopped, and even covered their public disagreements. Paparazzi often waited outside the couple's Tribeca apartment to snap photographs. Bessette was introduced to John's uncle, Senator Ted Kennedy, in the late summer of 1994. Following the marriage, the senator told the press, "You could tell right away that there was something special between the two of them." Bessette moved into Kennedy's Tribeca loft in the summer of 1995, and the couple became engaged later that year. Kennedy and Bessette wed on September 21, 1996. Their wedding was unknown to the press, avoiding media onlookers. The ceremony took place by candlelight on the remote Georgia island of Cumberland in a tiny wooden chapel, the First African Baptist Church. The bride selected the then little-known designer Narciso Rodriguez of Cerruti for her wedding dress of pearl white silk crepe. The groom's older sister, Carolyn Kennedy, was matron of honor, and Anthony Radziwill, the son of his Aunt Lee Radziwill Ross, served as Kennedy's best man. Carolyn Kennedy's two daughters, Rose Kennedy Schlossberg and Tatiana Kennedy Schlossberg, were flower girls, and her son Jack Kennedy Schlossberg was the ring bearer. The couple honeymooned in Turkey. After the wedding, the media attention surrounding the couple intensified, and she often found it difficult to deal with the harassment. When the couple returned from their honeymoon, a mass of reporters were waiting on their doorstep. John said, "Getting married is a big adjustment for us, and for a private citizen like Carolyn, even more so. I ask you to give her all the privacy and room you can." Bessette and Kennedy were badly disoriented by the constant attention from the paparazzi. The couple were permanently on show, both at fashionable Manhattan events and on their travels to visit celebrities such as Mariuccia Mandeli and Gianni Versace. She told her friend, Carol Radziwill, that the only way to avoid the paparazzi was to leave her apartment at 7 in the morning. She also complained to her friend, journalist Jonathan Soroff, that she could not get a job without being accused of exploiting her fame. Her minimalist throwaway chic fashion sense was chronicled by various fashion publications and drew repeated comparisons to her mother-in-law, former First Lady Jacqueline Kennedy Onassis. While the interest surrounding the couple continued, Bessette Kennedy refused to give interviews and turned down offers to appear in fashion magazines. Over the course of her marriage, she became more involved with charity work and often accompanied her husband to dinners at the White House. The couple were given a White House tour by President Bill Clinton in March 1998, and she acted as the hostess at parties for her husband's political magazine, George. Death. Bessette Kennedy died on July 16, 1999, along with her husband and older sister Lauren Bessette, when the light plane John Jr. was piloting crashed into the Atlantic Ocean off the western coast of Martha's Vineyard. The National Transportation Safety Board (NTSB) determined that the probable cause of the crash was the pilot's failure to maintain control of the airplane during a descent over water at night, which was a result of spatial disorientation. Factors in the accident were haze and the dark night. After a 5-day search, the wreckage was discovered in the late afternoon of July 21st. The bodies were recovered from the ocean floor by Navy divers and taken by motorcade to the County Medical Examiner's office, where autopsies revealed that the crash victims had died upon impact. At the same time, the Kennedy and Bessette families announced their plans for memorial services. Toxicology testing was conducted on the pilot and passengers. All tested negative for alcohol and drugs. In the late hours of July 21st, the 3 bodies were taken from Hyannis to Duxbury, where they were cremated in the Mayflower Cemetery crematorium. On the morning of July 22nd, their ashes were scattered from the Navy ship USS Briscoe off the coast of Martha's Vineyard. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.